Good evening, everyone. My name is Sophia, and today I'm going to talk about my project QABot, a chatbot for open question answering using neural networks. In my project, I plan to build a chatbot interface for answering questions for user in as human-like way as possible. The interface has a deep learning model deployed in the backend. Why do I want to build a chatbot? Because chatbots are the way of future and young people like to chat. What do I want to build? I want to build a deep learning model that will allow me to perform natural language understanding and natural language generation in the backend, and in the front end it will enable my chatbot interface to work in a human like way to answer users questions. Currently, the end user interface I have chosen is a Facebook bot. But the advantage of creating such a model is that it can be deployed in the backend for other chatbot platforms as well, like Slack, Telegram Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger, or even on generic web or Android app. The widespread deployment ability expands the potential of the system and allows a large number of users to take advantage of my model. How do I want to build this? In the past decade, we have seen a rise in cloud technologies that use commodity hardware and GPUs. These platforms have allowed us to train deep neural network using relatively low startup costs. For example, I'm using cloud technologies like Google Cloud and the PyTorch library at a price of about $10 a month instead of buying a high-end GPUs and building servers worth thousands of dollars. The research question that I want to attempt to answer is, can we use neural networks to create ML model capable of conducting human-like conversation while answering questions for users? Open question answers is a well-researched domain. Some prominent techniques that can be found in the literature includes the OpenQA project by Feder et al., where they divided the questions into sub-questions and performed data mining over knowledge bases to extract information about each sub-questions. The DeepQA project from IBM's Watson used a collection of techniques and evidence-based architecture to compute which answer had the highest probability of being correct. The current state of art is the research done by Facebook's AI Research Lab, who created a system for machine comprehension that reads Wikipedia articles for answering questions. In my opinion, I am different from these systems in two ways. First, I'm building a new neural network architecture. I'm also doing so using fairly recent technologies like PyTorch libraries. Second, I'm building a system that uses a front end human like chat system and back end ML model built using significantly low cost systems than what IBM Watson used or Facebook AI Research Lab used. The dataset I am using was obtained from Microsoft's Machine Reading Comprehension MS Marco project site. The dataset includes 101,093 records in 6 columns. A preliminary analysis of the dataset shows that the data contains the columns query ID, unique ID for each question, query, the unique question based on initial Bing usage, the passage which contains relevant information for the answers, query type, which has question categories like location, person, description, organization, etc. Answers, an appropriate answer, and I also see in my exploratory data analysis that about 1% questions have multiple answers. Then the last column is the well formed answer. The human annotation denotes if there is a well formed answer. And through the EDA, I have found out that about 7% question have multiple well formed answer. Also, I analyzed the distribution of length of questions and answer, as well as what are the commonly used word, what are the questions is all about, the commonly used word in the questions. I created a word cloud visualization which can be found in my Jupyter notebook on GitHub. Thank you.